Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm gonna jump right into this today. Before I start cooking this and tell you about what this is, I want to go ahead and give a couple of shout outs. Okay, I want to give a shout out to Dining with Zion. That's a bad mother sucker right there, boy. That's my sister. Go over there and show her some love. Alright? Okay, I got another one. Just Bambi. Just Bambi. Check her out. That girl is awesome. Got a lot of personalities. Real good. I got another shout out go out to TK Tanae. Okay, go check her out. She's very informational. Please go check her out. It's another one that I want to give a shout out to. Oh, this girl is awesome. If you want a down to earth person, and I mean just keeping it straight up real with you, you definitely need to go check her out. Her name is Virgo Queen T, and it's just with 2 T's. You'll see it, it'll be up on deck. So go over there and show them some love. They're part of the squad. They're part of the family. They adopted me into their family. I'm their big bro and little bro at the same time. So please go check them out. And last but not least, you already know, I'm going to always give this dude a shout out. This is my homeboy. Go out and check Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Go check him out. That's my homeboy right there. So make sure you go do that. Alright, and I'm finna show you what I'm going to be making. This has never been shown on YouTube ever before. This is my grandmother's recipe, and this recipe is called Mama Rose Juicy Burger. And it's going to be the best juicy burger in the world. You guys never seen this before. If you have, comment down below and let me know. This is a southern recipe. I don't know how old she was when she made this or came up with this recipe. I do know she had like 2 restaurants back in the days. You know, I was a little kid, so I'm in my 40s now, so there you go. My auntie Lily and my auntie Diane gave me this recipe, and shout out to them, and thank you for giving me this recipe. I hope it turned out well. I never made it before, but we're gonna find out, and I'm giving you the real. Alright, so first you're gonna need 2.5 pounds of ground beef. This is ground chuck actually, 80-20. You're gonna need a medium onion cut up, all right, in big pieces. This is how she do it. So we're gonna put that in there, all right. So that's that. You're gonna need some salt and some pepper. So let me see how much salt we're gonna need. So they didn't use sea salt. I'm quite sure of that, so it probably was regular salt, but I'm using sea salt. So I know I just poured like a tablespoon in my hand, so it might be a tablespoon. So just tweak it how you want to do it. I don't want a lot of salt in my stuff, but I will tell you what, I'm going to put like a tablespoon of this black pepper. Let me just put it in my hand. A tablespoon right here. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up with my hands. So if you guys got gloves, you can use some gloves and stuff like that. I like to get down like this. You just want to incorporate that real good. Now I will be making this dish again later on, because I'm going to tweak it the way I see it. But this is the recipe for now. Alright, so I mixed most of that up. So what we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead and get some, let me wash my hands. This is a 1/3 cup of flour. We're going to put that in there. Alright. 1/8 of a cup of KARO syrup, corn syrup. Just like that. I'll go ahead and put this on pause because the camera like to turn off for me. So I'll be back in a minute. It's good. Okay guys, I am back. Go ahead and start mixing this up. You may need you some gloves. It's gonna get sticky. We had these when we was kids, man. I remember eating these things. These things was so amazing. I mean, man, we used to try to sneak and go get some more. As soon as she turned her back. Of course, we did get a whooping for it, but hey. But it was good. Okay, let's see if we can grab us a handful like this. We're just gonna pat them together. Just like that. See if we can get these kind of big. Because I want to be able to put them on that Texas toast bread. Forgot to tell you about that. You're going to need you some bread. She didn't put it on no buns and none of that stuff. It was just on bread. And that's all we're going to do. Just a handful. Depending on how big your hand is, you may need two. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, guys. And I'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. Alright, these burgers, I got 6 of those big burgers. I'm going to put just a dab, a little salt on it. Sprinkle a little bit on there, okay? Just like this. Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay? Not going to do the other side, just doing this side. Alright. We're going to take our black pepper. Make sure we get that covered up. Guys, please, I'm laughing because y'all don't know nothing about this right here. If you do, you know what I'm talking about. But I doubt it. If you had this, it's a game changer. Take the little KARO, put you a little bit on top. Just like this. OMG. It's like you done died and went to heaven when you take one of these bad boys here. I'm just going to spread some of that about. You really don't need to do this. I'm just playing now. Your first time. YouTube, I looked it up. It's not on YouTube, I guarantee you that. You may see something similar, but it's not this recipe, I guarantee you that. I got a lot of recipes, trust me. I'm just sneaking this one in on you guys. I just got to thinking about my grandmother, rest her soul. My mother, rest her soul. Man. So I got the oven on 400 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and pop these in there. And you may get your American Whip or mayonnaise or whatever you want to put on top of it. But that's why I'm going to use this and some Texas toast bread. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'm going to go ahead and check this food. It's been 15-20 minutes. Check these out. There they go. You'll never have a burger like this, I guarantee you, till you make it. See if I can zoom in on these bad boys. Guys, see that? Right there. You can just let the grease slide off of that. We're going to go ahead and make us up one. Square for a living. I ain't had this since I was a shorty. We finna go ahead and make us up one. Oh my God. I'm trying to tell you, boy, just the aroma in the air is ridiculous. We need to go ahead and make 3 of these bad boys up for a thumbnail. Oh my goodness. Talking about something good. And no, we didn't toast the bread. You can toast your bread, but I gotta go back to my childhood memory. That's all we did. Get us some, oh my goodness. It smells so good up in here, boy. I wish you guys could really taste this. Just a little Miracle Whip or whatever. That's all we did. Just a little bit, guys. If you're just a mayonnaise lover, a Miracle Whip lover, you can put much as you want on there. I'm going with a thin layer. I want to be able to taste that burger. Oh my goodness. I'm glad they told me about this. I forgot all about it. We got to swapping recipes and stuff like that. And I was like, you remember when Grandma used to make the crackling bread and stuff? And then they were like, you remember when she made that juicy burger? I said, yeah, I've been wanting to make one of them juicy burgers. I said, I don't know what's all in it, but I know it was some onions. I thought it was bell peppers and all that stuff in it, but they said no, it was just onions. I said, oh my goodness. You gotta remember, I was like a single digits when I was eating these burgers. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that there. Juicy burgers. That's one. That's one, y'all. Oh, let's go get this other one in here. That's 2. I'm sorry to keep saying that. Y'all just don't make it. Please make it. You'll know what I'm saying. And that is Mama Rose Juicy Burgers. You'll never see this burger ever. You've seen it first time here, VELDOGGS Kitchen, where we be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm about to end it, but I'm finna cut it and see what we got. I'll make another thumbnail or something. We gotta cut this bad boy. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let you guys take that first bite. You get that first bite right there. Taste that, guys. Look at that. Look how juicy that burger is. I'm just barely squeezing on it. Guys, this is so awesome. That's it. Hands down, one of the best burgers in the world, I swear to you. Guys, you gotta try this. I'm gonna go ahead and get up off of here so I can finish this sandwich. This is amazing. Anyway, guys, give me a thumbs up, like and share this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you ain't did so already. And welcome to the family, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, see you next time. Let's get cooking.